I'm back. I'm doing some new toys today. These are just some old toys from the old YouTuber. And actually not going to replace him because his name is actually Amir. Yeah, Amir. So yeah. So let's go with this toy. Yeah, my ears are going to pop. Okay guys. This one. Mess right up, guys. I need to get some of these. This is crap. So yeah, so much things like glasses. The yellow glasses. I think yeah, that's finished. So guys, this is the yellow part. So I'm going to collect them. This is one version, and then here's the second one. So yeah, I'm gonna make a staircase about the box. Where is the? Yeah, we need some like the other wall. Yeah, we're gonna make. Wait, how did I make it? Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. Sorry. Here it go. Oopsie doopsie. Moments. Yeah. Where is the? Oh, actually that's the last one. So there's 1, 2, 3. Three of them. Looks like an M or like a W. Or like a zigzag. Or like an A, C, or S. So yeah, we need to cut over this. So yeah, this, like this, only. So yeah, there's just only one. So it's finished. So I'm going to get some of these, stack them all together. Then, voila! Looks like cool. It's going to look like it's going to be a knife. So yeah, it's going to be a happy. Yeah. So we need, so the next ones are the green ones. See guys, green is absolutely not my favorite color. Only the blues, but it's only light blue. So yeah, because I just like the shades. Blue. Yeah, just like that. Hey, where the purple's going? Hi guys, the purple just want to go home. And then there's another one. It's just like duplicate the purples. So yeah, so we have to do the same as like the yellow ones. You want the yellow one? So yeah guys, so this looks like what it looks like. So my son just going here instead of there. Viewers. So yeah. So viewers, this is just like the same as this one. It looks like skeleton. It's just like their twins. Yep, twins. So yeah, we need the orange one. This is random person going to trying to pick up on my channel. I just don't want to tell the name because I don't want you to be angry about me, to just tell me names, random names. Yeah guys, I really don't tell you. So yeah, just like them. Then, yeah. You just only want with this, so yeah, we put the next. So what is, oh yeah. Oh, that's all. Oh, this is just the toy. This is my little brother. He's the one who's playing them because just see naked. It was my brother. He was naked. And then this girl again. Try to take over the channel. Okay, then yeah, we have 3 small like these. Then yeah, what is here over here? It is some girls. Yeah, then there's 2. I feel like just going near my eyes. Yeah. So viewers, so you got some staircases, but already finished. Oh, where did you find that? I show you. So yeah, now we finished. No. The same over here. Yeah, hi to everyone. You gotta still talk. So yeah, so that's enough. So yeah guys, so we need to stack like this. So yeah, this is cool. With these pieces and that, it will not be worse. So guys, if you like the videos, you can comments, go to my channel and then see all my videos. Yeah, because my videos, there's some videos are so much I cannot understand them. Kasi I don't know the language. Nah, I don't know the languages. So there's one purple one over here. Ooh! This guy's trying to take over the channel. So yeah. And then why there's some yellow pieces over here? Mirror! Alright. So yeah, they're just two purple like these. So let's need to connect them. So yeah. So yeah, there's just one purple. And then, yeah. So yeah, this one like this. And then tala! We made it. And then where that? So yeah, there's one piece, and over this one, there's one piece over here. So yeah, so now. So what is this thing doing over here? Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to complete them over there. I'm going to show you guys here the puzzle video first. So yeah, so now this, because yeah, they look like zigzags. And now this. And then now this. And then now this. And then now this. And then trying to run away. These don't run away. These. Guys, so these are two humans. So this one. And also we're going to show you for these everything. It's really fast. Doing pauses. Okay? So now I'm doing fast speed. This is time to say bye. Bye. That's all for today. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell. So, bye guys!